Hummingbirds are a marvel of nature, captivating anyone who takes a moment to observe them. These tiny birds are a blur of color and motion, their vibrant feathers shimmering in the sunlight. They are a joy to watch and fascinate people all over the world, often seen darting from flower to flower in search of nectar. Hummingbirds are the smallest birds in the world, some species measuring just a few inches in length. But what they lack in size, they make up for in energy and personality, constantly in motion and full of life. Their wings beat up to 80 times per second, creating the signature humming sound they are named for, a sound that is both soothing and mesmerizing. This rapid wing movement allows them to fly backwards, forwards, sideways, and even hover in mid-air, showcasing their incredible agility. These tiny birds are also incredibly fast, reaching speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, making them one of the fastest birds relative to their size. They are masters of the air, navigating with precision and grace, effortlessly maneuvering through their environment. Hummingbirds are found exclusively in the Americas. From the icy landscapes of Alaska to the tip of South America, these resilient birds have adapted to a wide range of climates and habitats. The greatest diversity of hummingbirds is found in the tropics. Tropical rainforests, with their abundance of flowers and warm climate, provide the perfect conditions for these nectar-loving birds. However, hummingbirds are not limited to tropical regions. They can be found in deserts, mountains, and even coastal areas. Some species have even adapted to live in harsh environments like the Andes Mountains, where they endure cold temperatures and high altitudes. Hummingbirds have successfully adapted to a variety of environments. Each habitat presents its own unique challenges, and hummingbirds have developed remarkable ways to thrive. In rainforests, they navigate the dense vegetation with ease, their small size allowing them to access nectar from flowers other birds cannot reach. In deserts, they have adapted to survive on limited water sources, getting most of their moisture from the nectar they consume. Hummingbirds living in high altitudes have developed special adaptations to cope with the thinner air. They have larger hearts and lungs, allowing them to take in more oxygen. Their blood also contains a higher concentration of red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout their bodies. Hummingbirds are easily recognizable by their small size, iridescent feathers, and long, slender beaks. These tiny birds often weigh less than a nickel. These features are all perfectly adapted to their lifestyle, which involves rapid wing beats and hovering in mid-air. Their iridescent feathers, which shimmer and change color in the light, are not only beautiful, but also serve an important purpose. This dazzling display can confuse predators and provide camouflage among the flowers. The bright colors help attract mates, and the iridescent quality makes them appear larger to potential rivals. This visual trickery is crucial during mating season when competition is fierce. Their small size, typically between 3 to 5 inches in length, allows them to access nectar from a wide variety of flowers. This size also enables them to maneuver with incredible agility. Their long, slender beaks are perfectly designed for reaching deep into flowers to extract nectar. This specialized beak shape is a result of coevolution with the flowers they feed on. Their tongues are equally impressive, with a forked tip that acts like a tiny pump to draw up the sweet liquid. This unique tongue structure allows them to efficiently gather nectar. Some hummingbirds even have specially adapted beaks that mimic the shape of the flowers they feed on. This adaptation ensures they can access food sources that other birds cannot. Hummingbirds are constantly on the move. Their high metabolism and energy requirements mean they need to feed almost constantly throughout the day. A single hummingbird may visit hundreds of flowers every day, consuming up to half its body weight in nectar. This constant feeding provides them with the energy they need to fuel their active lifestyle. When not feeding, hummingbirds can be found perched on branches, conserving their energy. They are highly territorial birds, and will fiercely defend their feeding grounds from rivals. Their aerial chases and displays of aggression are a sight to behold, showcasing their incredible agility and speed. Nectar, the sugary liquid produced by flowers, forms the cornerstone of a hummingbird's diet. Sweet substance is not just a treat but a vital source of energy. This high-energy food provides them with the fuel they need to power their active lifestyle. Their rapid wing beats and constant movement require a significant amount of energy. However, nectar is not the only source of nourishment for hummingbirds. They also need other nutrients to stay healthy. They also consume small insects and spiders, which provide them with essential proteins and nutrients. These protein sources are especially important during breeding season, when they need to feed their growing chicks. The young ones require a balanced diet to develop properly. Hummingbirds have developed fascinating feeding habits. Their methods are as unique as they are efficient. Some hummingbirds even engage in a behavior called trap lining, where they visit the same flowers in a specific order, ensuring a constant supply of nectar. This routine helps them maximize their energy intake efficiently. Hummingbirds have one of the smallest bird eggs in the world, often no bigger than a jelly bean. Despite their tiny size, these eggs represent a significant investment of energy for the parent birds. Female hummingbirds are responsible for building the nest, incubating the eggs, and caring for the young. The nests are incredibly small and delicate, often made from spider silk and camouflaged with lichen or moss. Hummingbird chicks are born blind and featherless, relying entirely on their mothers for warmth and nourishment. The mother feeds her chicks regurgitated nectar and tiny insects, ensuring they receive all the nutrients they need to grow. Hummingbirds are more than just beautiful creatures. They play a vital role in the ecosystems they inhabit. As they flit from flower to flower, they act as important pollinators, transferring pollen and ensuring the survival of many plant species. Their presence is an indicator of a healthy ecosystem. Their decline in certain areas can signal environmental problems, such as habitat loss or pesticide use. By appreciating and protecting these tiny marvels, we are not only preserving their beauty but also contributing to the health of our planet. Their story is a reminder of the interconnectedness of nature and the importance of safeguarding even the smallest creatures.